back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I try on this channel to share a little bit of something for everyone, and I know some people are just looking to get in and work from home, no matter what that pay is, $15, $16 an hour, but there's others that have lots of financial responsibility, and you are really looking for a work from home job. Maybe you have some experience, you've been working in your industry for a while, and you're just looking to make the switch from work from home. So that's kind of what I have for you today. I have 9 different positions that are all hiring remote work from home right now in January of 2024. And these are paying at least $1,000 a week, and that is on the low end. So a lot of these go much higher. I think the lowest pay for any of these positions is $55,000 a year, which breaks down to about $1,050 a week, with the highest being over $200,000 a year. Of course, we're going to dive all into it. Real quickly, I do just want to let you know, be checking the website either later tonight. My website is linked in the YouTube description box below this video, or tomorrow on Saturday. So a lot of times I'm scrolling job boards when I'm doing other things like watching movies or drinking my coffee. I come across different types of jobs, and anything that I feel is decent, I save the link to the job, and I have a running Word document of all kinds of different jobs. And then sometimes I come across things that are better, so I don't always make videos and share everything that I mark on my Word document, especially since a lot of you have left in the comments that you're looking for more non-phone stuff. I haven't shared a lot of customer service jobs this week, so I've actually been thinking about either later tonight or in the morning, whenever I can get to it, making a list of just all the jobs that I haven't shared in my videos, kind of like a weekly roundup type thing, since it is the end of the week, and just posting all those jobs out on the website so at least you have access to them. Maybe you are somebody who is interested in customer service. When I get that out, I will post in my community page on my YouTube channel that it is out with the link directly to it. I do just ask real quickly, I've seen comments in the past when I've done that people have said, I wish you would have shared it in a video too, because they don't see the community post. So maybe I'll do like a quick video just letting you know it's up there. But I had actually thought about making that a weekly thing, like on Friday nights or Saturday mornings. So let me know if you'd be interested in something like that. But without wasting any more time, let's dive straight on into these job leads. Since we have 9 of them, we do have some big companies like Starbucks, Afterpay, Bath & Body Works. But first up, we have the company Gametime United. Now, I've shared this company quite a bit on this channel. They always have different remote work from home positions. They have 66 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a support platform specialist. Now, this is full-time remote for the United States. All of these positions are going to be for the United States. I do just want to quickly say, I live in the United States and I work as a hiring manager in the United States. I know I've seen a lot of international folks in my comments wanting me to share worldwide jobs. There is occasionally sometimes that I come across them, and when I do share them, but United States jobs is just my specialty. It's what I have knowledge in, and so therefore that is mainly going to be what I share on this channel. But back to the job, Gametime is looking for somebody to help optimize their customer service operations on their online platform. You're going to collaborate with customer service agents, understanding their day-to-day operations and helping identify any areas where you can make process improvements to the customer service team. You'll implement creative solutions for the effectiveness of customer service, utilizing tools and documentation, just developing and maintaining all kinds of documentation as you come up with new processes. So basically, you're going to be the one helping make the customer service team better. So they're really looking for somebody who has great problem-solving skills, someone who has a desire to learn and develop technical skills, someone who's familiar with automation skills, and someone who can use like JavaScript, HTML. It's a plus, it's not required. Also not required is a college degree. Pay for this position starts at $64,000 a year, goes all the way up to $84,000 a year, and they do offer a standard benefit package. Now, moving right along, next up we have the company, the Addison Group. Now, the Addison Group is like a staffing agency. They work with bigger companies to get temporary employees in the door, and then sometimes those bigger companies will hire that employee if they like them on as a permanent. The company that I work for has used Addison Group in the past, so I know they are a legit company. They have 930 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an inpatient coder. Now, again, this is going to be a temporary contract role. It might have the option to be hired into a permanent role, but they're looking for somebody to do medical coding. Pay is $35 to $40 an hour, 100% remote, work from home. You'll basically code all inpatient medical charts. You'll do validation for clinical documentation, just reviewing and reconciling DRGs, things like that with insurance companies. So they are looking for somebody who has experience in inpatient coding with at least 3 years, and some has some prior experience in academic facility. Now, because this is a coding position, you will be required to have a coding license of some sort. If healthcare is not for you, that's absolutely okay. Moving right along, we have Bath & Body Works hiring. They have 9,700 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. Now, one thing to note about their website, you will get a pop-up about them having issues with Google Chrome. However, I am using Chrome, and when you close that pop-up, it will look like the website didn't load, but you just have to scroll down. I don't know why they have a bunch of blank white space at the top of the page, but anywho, they are looking for a brand protection investigator. This is a remote position paying anywhere from $71,500 a year all the way up to $92,000 a year. But they're looking for somebody to conduct global investigations involving counterfeit goods, people doing impersonation or trademark copyright misuse, fraud, confidential data leaks, things like that. Just monitoring all online channels, looking for new abusers of the Bath & Body Works IP, both directly and through brand protection. So you'll collaborate with the internal team members to identify new risks, recommend solutions on how to take care of those risks. You'll submit online complaints that combat infringements identified across e-commerce websites, marketplaces, and social media platforms. So like if you see somebody who has a store and they are selling some kind of a fake Bath & Body Works lotion on their website, you can then put in like all of those complaints for like the trade commissions and all of that. I don't even know if Bath & Body Works does like BBB complaints against the other companies to make other people aware of it, so they have comments, things like that. You're just going to do a bunch of data entry and documentation of reports using the case management. Now, this is going to require some education and experience. They're looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree or equivalent experience, someone who has 5 to 10 years of experience in online brand protection, someone who has knowledge of like production, sourcing, supply chains, things like that. You've got to know how to use computers and be an analytical person, know how to look at reporting and data. And of course, you've got to be self-motivated because this is a remote position. But now would be a good time to real quickly say, if you're enjoying job leads like this, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Afterpay is also hiring. Afterpay has 180 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a 3.6 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a remote customer service regional leader for their North America region. So since you are going to be in a leadership position, this is going to pay very high, but it is going to require quite a bit of experience. They're basically looking for somebody not to do the actual customer service, but to lead the day-to-day customer service team. So you'll lead that customer service delivery of their supplier partners and in-house teams. So you'll handle like the complaints and anything the teams have to escalate up. You'll help drive performance of the team, meeting service delivery obligations, ensuring daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly rhythms are in place to support the performance of the region in a 24/7 operating model. So you're going to role model leading and managing with insights, gathering relevant data, doing some analyzation connected with that data, and just report out on any customer contact trends, understanding drivers of the customer service team and the results. So they're looking for somebody who has 15 years of experience in relevant customer service operations work experience with 10 years of multi-tier people management experience. So 15 years of customer service experience can be any customer service like retail, serving tables, things like that. But they also want somebody who has experience dealing with people, managing people. So maybe you've had like a team lead position or something like that. They want somebody who has some project management skills. Of course, you've got to be able to influence and affect communication. So be a leader, persuasive, and have great communication skills. Now, they are going to require either a relevant experience or a bachelor degree. However, Afterpay always pays very well. They have the United States broken down by zones, so you're really going to be paid based on location, with a little bit of experience mixed in there. But the lowest pay is $138,900 a year, with top pay being $204,500 a year. And while we're talking about people who having customer service skills and wanting to lead people, next up we have the company Starbucks. So maybe you can get your coffee and lead people at the same time. Starbucks has 70,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote partner and customer service shared services manager. I always say in a lot of my videos, if you have years and years of experience working in the customer service realm, the next step, if you're looking to not only work remote, but also up your game and pay, is to move into some kind of leadership role. Not all leadership roles will require a bachelor degree. Starbucks is paying their customer service manager anywhere from $78,200 a year, all the way up to $132,800 a year. And they're looking for somebody to lead improvement efforts for their service experience that is delivered by Starbucks contact centers. So you'll pair an obsession with operational excellence with continuous improvement, just making sure that you have improvement projects that you lead to transform the customer service team. You'll coach and mentor partners through problem-solving activities and improvement projects, just educating team members on operational improvements, coordinating solutions to help mitigate digital fraud, service recovery, things like that. So basically just coming up with solutions to problems that the team already has. They're looking for somebody who has 5 years of working in areas to develop business objectives. So someone who comes up with business plans, 3 years implementation or project management, and 3 years of gathering or analysis. So some kind of reporting, data analysis, something like that. Other than that, you've got to have great decision-making skills. Again, either a bachelor degree or significant relevant experience. So they do take experience over that degree. But if Starbucks is not for you, we will just keep it moving. Next up, we have Allstate. Now, Allstate has 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a representative body injury adjuster. They're looking for somebody to either work Pacific Standard Time or Mountain Standard Time Zone. And this is remote, 100% work from home. Now, one thing to note about Allstate, they are going to require you to have an adjuster license within 60 days, I think, of getting the position, if you're offered the position. But they are looking for somebody to help investigate automobile accidents involving single or multiple vehicles that result in property damage or bodily injury and that has an attorney involved. So basically, you are going to work remotely from your home, accessing coverage, liability, and damage insurance that these people have through Allstate. You'll have to assess the damage for the claim. So you are going to have to do some phone work with this. You'll have to place phone calls to the customer as well as the attorney, calls, emails, text messages, utilizing the platforms and tools, just collecting all the information to make a decision about, is Allstate going to pay out on this claim, and then how much money are they going to pay out. You're doing the researcher and the investigator, getting all the details together, talking with everyone, getting the story, getting the police report, things like that. They do give you $80 a month reimbursement for your internet, and they only require a high school diploma or GED, 3 to 5 years of experience in some kind of investigations is preferred, not required though, as long as you have great communication skills, you're familiar with insurance policies, coverage, how they work, you have strong critical thinking and problem solving skills, and as a condition of employment, you are going to have to get an adjuster or appraiser license within 60 days of hire if you don't already have one. This is a good thing to get anyway if you're looking to work from home, work remotely, and make decent money, because this pays anywhere from $57,500 a year all the way up to $75,000 a year. Next up, we have the company Twitch. It is the online platform that a lot of people use. Gamers use it a lot, so you might have heard of it. They have 790 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a director of their community. Now, it is remote in the United States. They do have a preference of somebody in certain places, but they will hire anyone, and it is a remote position. They are looking for somebody, though, that can help inspire and develop a team of professionals to tell cohesive and compelling narrative to the press, to the community, and to the Twitch employees. So you're basically like the manager of what the communications that get out to the press and the employees. You're going to direct and implement global communication strategies that promote Twitch, their services, their offerings, and the Twitch community, helping to do like data analysis, identifying opportunities to engage creators and viewers around current events and the company and the culture. So you're going to just understand Twitch's community, product, business, and help the brand really just build on that. So they're looking for somebody who has 10 years of experience in some kind of public relations, somebody who has experience establishing relationships with media or outlets, someone who has excellent communication skills. So maybe you've been in like communications, you've worked for news stations, kind of different things like that. Pay is listed all the way down at the bottom though, and is anywhere from $124,900 a year all the way up to $232,400 a year. Moving right along, though, next up we have the company Service Titan. Now, Service Titan has 553 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a benefit specialist. This means they're looking for somebody to manage a large leave of absence caseload in conjunction with third-party leave administrators. So you're going to be processing requests in Workday, which is normally like an HR system, following up with managers, and maintaining paperwork for employees that are on leaves of absences. So you're going to build out the leave program, tracking systems, automate communications dashboards, manage the benefits of that, including billing, contracting, and communication of all leaves of absences people. So anybody who has like 401k inquiries from managers, employees, you'll have to answer those requests too. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of benefit administration or human resources experience, someone who has experience with like leave of absence or 401k programs. They prefer somebody who has a customer service background, great communication skills, but no college degree is needed. And pay is anywhere from $64,000 a year all the way up to $92,000 a year. And if you're still with me through all of this long video and rambling, I owe you a huge thank you. We have made it to the last one. It is Hotel Engine. They have 311 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an accounts receivable specialist. So basically managing their AR, you'll collect accounts receivable with excellent follow-up to any open issues. You'll process and post incoming payments in accordance with remittance received, making sure that you contact the payer to request further documentation if you need it, engaging in just all collection and management activity of the AR, making sure it doesn't age too high. You'll investigate and resolve all transaction questions, so like credit, short payments, unapplied payments, just reconciling and researching any AR issues in a timely manner, making sure things get paid and the payments are posted to the correct accounts in the system. They're looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of accounts receivable experience, someone who has a professional experience in like business collections. You've got to be great communication skills, a highly organized person, and great at math. No college degree is required though, and salary for this one is anywhere from $55,000 a year all the way up to $65,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I do owe you a huge thank you, thank you, thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget, if you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button. Let me know what you think about my weekly roundup in the comments too. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.